I feel so tired. This journey never ends. It is too hot and I'm really thirsty. Walking along the desert carrying this baggie is too heavy. It is already 3 months when we started to run away. I still remember when Dad told us that he will go to look for a new job, and he promised to come back with money as soon as possible, but he never came back.
Boom! Another explosion woke me up. My sister Haifa started to cry and ran into my mom's arms. Rahid hugged me and I told him, "Shh, Rahid, please, don't cry." It was then when we decided to leave Syria and go with Dad. Mom called Uncle Rahim asking for help. She told him if we could go to his house in Saudi Arabia, but its borders were closed to Syrian people. Unbelievable. We saw our neighbor. He was wounded and alone. He was running to take a boat to Europe. So, Mom decided to escape through the Jordanian Red Desert. During the walk, I met my friend Saya and we played together.
Oh, I feel so tired. This journey never ends. It is too hot and I'm really thirsty. Walking along the desert carrying this baggie is too heavy. Saya and I are alone. What's going on? Saya is talking with a strange man who wears a blue vest. I can read some letters. U-N-H-C-B-M R volunteer. What's that? They are healing Saya and giving her some water. I hope they help me too. The boy is coming, but he wants to take my bag away. No, I won't let him. He insists, but I tell him, "Hey, be careful, it's my little brother." Now we are living in the Saatari refugee camp with Mom and Dad. Yoo-hoo! The desert journey is over! And this is the story of Marwan, one of the thousands of children who is suffering the consequences of the Syrian war.